My name is Caroline Vaxmuth. I am a beauty alchemist. I create beauty products and fragrances. I mix raw materials together and have simple tools and recipes that you can have every day in your kitchen, your fridge or your bathroom. We function in different ways and every minute we're changing. If we have the ability to know ourselves, how we react, and then according to that, what works for us, then we're free and become the master of your own health. Hi guys, so here we are at Rainbow Grocery in San Francisco, which is my favorite space to shop. And today we're going to shop for 3 essential oils that are in the energy booster recipe. So first we're going to take the cedarwood. It revitalizes the body and restores the vital energy. And then we're going to take the pine. It clears the mind, it helps to drain the toxins out. And then we're going to choose the sweet orange. Sweet orange is very uplifting and it says to be antidepressant. These are the 3 oils that we're going to use in our energy booster recipe and they work synergistically. So the 3 of them, like a bomb. So today we're going to do this energy booster recipe. When you are feeling tired, and what we do naturally, we all do it. We're like, okay, let's go have a coffee to feel that boost, but it's deeper than that. This is what I call quick fixes, and it's not bad, but it's just not going to solve the whole underneath issue of why are you exhausted and why are you feeling so depleted. These are the ingredients that we're going to use here. We have 3 essential oils that are synergetically working together, and then our carrier oil, which is our vegetable oil in the highest quantity, is the avocado oil. Start with your avocado oil and put 50 ml. It is full of vitamin E, it's got lecithin, and the texture is interesting, it penetrates fast. And then we're going to add our cedarwood, and we're going to put 6 drops of it. And the sweet orange, we're going to put 5 drops of this one. And finally our pine, and pine I'll put 4 drops of this one. And you mix it this way, like about 30 seconds. Pour it in your little bottle and you're done. It's good to have it in a glass that's dark, so either it's brown or it's blue or it's green. And don't put it in the fridge, that's not necessary at all, because the oil can solidify and then it's not going to be really nice. Keep it at room temperature, that's the best. Okay, so now let me tell you how you use this. So I suggest, depending on your level of depletion and feeling exhausted, you can use it up to 3 times a day. A little bit, not too much, just a little bit in your palm, and then mix it, windshield. And you are going to apply it on your solar plexus, which is located over here. You just massage over here, and then in your neck here, right? Everything that has to do with your level of energy is linked to your kidneys area and the adrenal glands. I would say the entire body, but where you're going to insist massaging with your knuckles is the kidney, and the kidneys are located here, right? And the adrenals gland is sit a little bit above the kidney region, so you're going to just massage with your knuckles over here for like about 30 seconds, even a minute, and meditate on that and do it as much as you can. And that's going to help tremendously to recover from that exhaustion. I'd say try it for a week, and at the same time, look at your life habits and how you can add more sleep and eat more regularly with more nurturing food, move a bit more, do more exercise, Go ahead and do this recipe for yourself and tell me how it restores this energy and how it revitalizes you, and share it with me, give me your feedback.